programming involves lot of mathematics. We write simple programs to add two numbers. As we study higher, we learn maths to calculate discount and simple interest. As we move to higher grade and graduation, we have complex equation. Python provides many inbuilt functions to solve this complex equation that are very useful in engineering and scientific research. Hello everyone, welcome to the Python session, and today we will learn how to use math functions in Python. Suppose we want to solve this equation. Here we want to find the square root of a square plus b square. To solve such problems in mathematics, we have to break down the complex equation. You remember we have studied exponential operators in our previous session. In Python, to calculate a square, we use a star star 2. So, this equation is broken down like this. We calculate the square of each number and then did the addition. But still, the square root is pending. To calculate the square root, Python provides Sqrt function. Let's understand how to use the Sqrt function to find the square root. Suppose you want to find the square root of 4. To do this, we will import the math library in Python. To import the math library, we will write import math like this. Then we will write result equal to math.sqrt, and in the bracket we will write 4. Then print the result variable like this. Run the program. Well, we got the correct output. Now we will accept the number in the variable num like this, and in the Sqrt function we will pass the num. Our program can give the square root of any number. Run the program, enter the value 9. Well, we got the correct output. So now you know how to calculate the square root. So come back to our equation now. We wanted to solve this. So let's write the program. First, we will import math like this. Then accept two inputs, a and b, from the user. Make sure to convert them to int. We will then write math.sqrt, and in brackets a exponential operator 2 plus b exponential operator 2. Here we have converted the mathematical equation in the form which Pythons understand. Let's store the result in the solution variable. Then display the result using the print statement. Run the program. Enter the value 3 and 4. The result is 5. Here 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. Their sum is 25 and the square root of 25 is 5. This means we got the correct output. You can try this program for different numbers and verify the output. So, we have just studied how to use Sqrt function in math to calculate the square root. Python provides many such functions to solve mathematical problems. We will study all of them, but in the next session. Thanks for watching.